Hey everybody, welcome back to TechOdyssey. So I'm here today with my first ever review of a gaming chair. Now this chair is from EasySMX. They reached out to me around Christmas time. They sent me this out and I've been using it for the last couple of months now. So this is not only an initial review, it's a long-term review because I've put some serious mileage on it. I use this chair every day for work, for play, for recording my videos, for everything, and I think it's a pretty good chair. Comes in different colors, it's made out of premium materials, and I think the prices are pretty competitive when you look around at other high quality gaming chairs. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at it, but before we do, I do wanna say if this is your first time stopping by the channel, I appreciate you being here. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like and the subscribe button and the little notification bell if you want updates when new videos come out. Now let's take a look at the EasySMX gaming chair. Some of the best features about this chair are all the different levels of functionality that it has. It's made out of very good premium materials. It's firm, but you can sit in it for a long time. Doesn't make my legs go to sleep, doesn't feel uncomfortable. It doesn't have soft spots that have been worn into it as I've been using it over time. But one thing I really like is this head cushion back here. The head cushion works well. It's got this little elastic strap on it, so it sets on the chair like this. So as you're sitting, you've got a nice headrest. It's very, very comfortable. It's squishy, it's pliable, and it's held up well. It's got nice stitching in it. It's got the logo there. They did a good job with this. But in addition to that, one thing I really like is you can use it as a neck pillow. So you can put it on your neck like this, and then you can sit like this. So that's very nice. It's very comfortable this way. And then it reclines. So if you want to take a siesta while you're sitting at your desk, if you've got an hour-long lunch break and you want to kick back for 30 minutes, the chair reclines. So you can recline it all the way back like this. Then you got the pillow, so you can sit here and you can take a nap whenever you want to. Now this one doesn't have the leg rest. They do have some that do have leg rest, but this one does not. And those are different models that you can check out. But the overall construction and the quality of the chair, I think, should still be the same. But this is very easy to put back on. Let me just pop the top of the chair back up. And there we go. So you're covered that way. In addition to that, you also have lumbar support. Also labeled EasySMX, and it's a nice cushion that goes into the lower back area. So as you're sitting in it, you can have your nice posture. You can sit up. This catches you right here, kind of in the back of the head. So you can sit upright and have this cushion and have your lumbar support while you work. So I like that. The ergonomics for posture and for your spine support and your head support are very good. It's got a nice sturdy foundation and base on it, plenty of wheels. The only thing that I don't like about it is if you lean too far forward, it will tip forward. And I think they could get around that with a slightly wider wheelbase on it, but the way that it is, if you lean over with it, it may come with you. So that's the only thing. So if you try to roll it around to the side of your computer, lean over to change some cables, be very aware of that so you don't fall over on your face. Now, other things that are nice. You can raise the armrest. The armrests, they go up and down. They can stop in all sorts of different positions. Very fluid, very quick. You don't have any resistance there. It works out nicely. Also, you can pivot the arms outward or inward for your desired stance for your arms when you're sitting in the chair. So that's also nice and a great customization feature as well. The armrests are even pliable. They're not hard plastic. They are like a moldable cushion, so you can squeeze them and actually see the indentation. They're very comfortable to have your arms there for a long time, and they rise up to the height of most desks, so you can have your elbow there and just use your arm and your hand for the mouse and the keyboard. So I think they did a good job with that as far as the overall design. And again, the ergonomics, it works very well as a desk chair, not just as a gaming chair, but it's a very good multi-purpose chair. It's comfortable, you can sit in it for a long time, and it's great for gaming, it's great for work. I sit in this chair like all day long. I get up, sit at my office chair, sit here, work until I get off work at 4 or 5 o'clock, and then I go eat dinner, I come back, I do my video editing or do some video game play. I sit in it for a long time, and I think that it's nice and comfortable. It's great for long-term use, and also, it doesn't make a ton of noise. When I first got it, maybe the first month, it didn't do so much creaking, but over time, it does get some of these little creaky points. So I think that's something that's with most chairs though, because my last chair did that as well. Maybe throw some WD-40 on there, it'll help eliminate some of that. It's not something that it does all the time, but if you do some serious movement, then you will hear the creaking noises it makes. Other things I like about it, I like the material that it's made out of. It's not one that sits here and it makes you sweat. It doesn't feel like serious leather. Even though it is a nice premium pleather-like material, it's nice whenever you're sitting in it, sitting with your shorts on or whatever. It doesn't stick to your legs. It doesn't make you sweaty. It doesn't make you uncomfortable. I like the way that they put it together and the materials that they chose to do that. So if you were to ask me if it's a worthwhile chair, I would say yes. I think that they did a good job. I think this is something that will last you a while. I've been using it, like I said, for several months, and I don't have any concerns about it as far as long-term use, as far as construction, as far as durability. I think that it holds up well, and I hope that it does even into the future. The biggest question mark I had about these guys was I just never heard about them. So if you go around, you look on Amazon, there's like 5 million different vendors that make gaming chairs. So I knew I wanted one, and I wanted one that was going to work good, so I was very happy when these guys reached out to me. I checked out their ratings on Amazon. They looked like they were solid and legit, so I said, sure, I'll go ahead and review it. And I'm glad that I did, because I very much enjoy this chair. It's very comfortable. I like the way that it falls and it gives you nice head support. I did have a CyberPower PC gaming chair before this. It is a less expensive gaming chair, and I got it on discount when I got my last computer 2 years ago, and it held up nicely, but it just wasn't as comfortable. It didn't have the same level of support for my head and for my back, which is important because I'm getting old and I need lumbar support, and I like to be able to rest my head. I don't like to have my head cranked back. I don't like to be missing this gap here, so if I'm trying to lean back while I'm doing my work, this allows you to sit up. You have nice posture, you've got good support, and you've got nice comfortable armrests that are adjustable in and out, up and down, so you can get the desired fit for while you're sitting at your desk. So I think I can give it 2 thumbs up. I think that if you were to buy it, I think you'll be happy with it, and I think it should hold up long term. And those are 3 very important things to factor into buying a chair, especially a gaming chair or one that you're going to use for multi-purpose use like I do. And it has cool colors. I like the design. The logo is nice. It's got cool color tones with the accents with the colors here. You can get other options. You can check out the link here and go to the website on Amazon and pick out whichever one you're most interested in if you're interested in buying one. And yeah, that's about it. This was sent out as a review unit. I'm not being paid for this. I'm not being sponsored for this. This is not something that I'm getting compensated for. They sent it out for me to review, so this is my own objective review off of my long-term use with this chair, and I like it a lot. So that's all I've got. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down in the comment section. I will get back with you. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like and the subscribe button and the little notification bell if you want updates when new videos come out. And as always, thanks for being here. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you guys next time.